Let's see another question. Now see. Let's try to solve this. An object oscillates with SHM according to the equation in SI units. X is equal to phi cos of 2 pi t plus pi by 4. At t is equal to 1.5 seconds. Okay, at t is equal to 1.5 seconds. They're asking us to calculate the displacement, speed, and acceleration. So what is given? X is equal to phi cos of 2 pi into t plus pi by 4. What will be the velocity? So for x is equal to a cos of omega t plus phi naught, what will be the velocity? I gave you the table, right? Check it. So whatever table I gave you, in the place of replace it with omega t plus phi naught. That's it. The second table that I gave you, what is the value of velocity? It is minus
a omega.
Omega.
Sin omega t plus phi naught.
That's it. Sin omega t plus phi naught. What is the acceleration? Minus a omega square cos of omega t plus phi naught. Is this right? Now what we are going to do is comparing with whom? X is equal to a sin of a cos of omega t plus phi naught. What will I get the value of amplitude as? They've asked the displacement only, no?
Phi, sir.
So I need not do all those things. See, suppose, okay, I'm just trying to extend the question. Suppose they ask you to find the amplitude, omega, and all those things, then compare these two. Then amplitude will be 5 units, because we don't know whether it is, they told in SI units, no? Just write it as 5 units. What will be the value of omega? Omega is 2 pi radians, and the phi naught will be pi by 4. Okay. Now, we want the instantaneous displacement. So x at 1.5 is equal to how much? 5 times cos 2 pi into, what is the value of small t?
1.5.
It is 1.5. So I'll write it as 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4. This and this we get cancelled. So it will be 5 cos of, tell me guys, 3 pi plus 5 by 4. How much is that? 13 pi by 4.
Yes, sir.
So 13 pi by 4. So 5 cos 13. So you can find the value of 13 pi by 4. So how much is that? That is 16 pi minus 3 pi by 4. So it is 5 cos of 4 pi minus 3 pi by 4. 4 pi minus 3 pi by 4 falls in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos is positive. So 5 cos 3 pi by 4. So how much is the answer? 3 pi by 4, cos 3 pi by 4 is minus 1 by root 2. So minus 5 by root 2 units is the answer. That is the displacement of the particle at 1.5 seconds. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, what can you say about the velocity of the particle? Velocity of the particle is minus a omega into sine of omega t plus pi by 4. So minus, what is the value of a? 5 into omega, here you need 2 pi into sine of omega t, that is 2 pi into 3 by 2. I hope you understood why I wrote 3 by 2. Omega is 2 pi, t is 1.5, so I wrote 3 by 2 plus pi by 4. The phase angle is still going to be the same, minus 10 pi into sine of the same 16 pi by 4, 13 pi by 4. So same 16 pi minus 3 pi by 4. So minus 10 pi into sine 3 pi by 4 is how much? It is minus 1 by root 2. So minus, it is plus 10 pi by root 2 units. Now, what about the acceleration of the particle, guys? Minus omega square a cos of 2 pi t plus pi by 4. So minus of omega square is 4 pi square into a is 5 into cos of same 3 pi by 4. That will be minus 1 by root 2. So 20 pi square by root 2 units.